We value nature because it is of vital importance to us and the community we operate in. Sustainability is in our DNA, and we are aware of the impact our industry has. Therefore, we have devised the INSEE Sustainability Ambition 2030. We commit to a net positive impact on biodiversity and will avoid, minimize, rehabilitate and offset the impacts of coring. During this journey, we will be guided and challenged by the partnership with IUCN. We are developing nature climate or nature-based solutions. As one example, we work towards securing Fumi wetland as a natural reserve in the Mekong Delta. Together, we can build for life, thus protect all life on this planet. We are committed to continuously working with key stakeholders such as authorities, NGOs and IUCN.